Welcome to Ampicas Aesthetics. On this course, we will teach you how to cannulate and make sure that your client is suitable for multivitamin injections in the form of an IV drip therapy.